Unraveling the Mystery, Jumping at Shadows. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very interesting phrase, jumping at shadows. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone looking to polish your English skills, understanding phrases like this one can really bring your language proficiency to the next level. So, let's get started and explore what it truly means to be jumping at shadows. Jumping at shadows is an idiomatic expression in English that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. This phrase is used to describe a situation where someone is overly anxious or reacting to things that are not real threats. Imagine a cat jumping at the slightest movement or shadow, perceiving it as a potential danger, even when there's nothing to fear. That's the essence of this expression, reacting to imagined fears or being excessively wary of unlikely problems. While the exact origins of jumping at shadows are a bit murky, idiomatic expressions like this one often stem from observations of human or animal behavior. The visual of someone reacting fearfully to their own shadow has been a metaphor for irrational fear for centuries. It's a powerful way to describe how sometimes our minds can create threats that are as insubstantial as shadows, causing us to react when there's no real reason to be afraid. Understanding an idiom is one thing, but knowing how to use it in conversation or writing is another. Here are a few examples to show how jumping at shadows can be seamlessly incorporated into your everyday English. Ever since the break-in, she's been jumping at shadows, scared by every little noise. You're just jumping at shadows. There's no real evidence that the project will fail. After watching that horror movie, I found myself jumping at shadows, imagining monsters in every dark corner. Using idioms like jumping at shadows can add color and depth to your communication, making your English more nuanced and expressive. I hope this exploration of the phrase, jumping at shadows, has shed some light on its meaning and usage. Idioms are a window into the culture and history of a language, and understanding them not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your connection to the language. So, the next time you find yourself or someone else overreacting to an imagined fear, you'll know exactly what to call it. Thanks for watching, and keep jumping at the opportunity to learn, not at shadows. See you in our next video.